Here is a beginner-level quality assurance quiz number 2 that covers standardization and certifications, quality audits and non-conformance handling, and statistical quality control and data analysis. Let's go! Question 1. Which of the following is an internationally recognized standard for quality management systems? A. ISO 9001, B. GMP, C. Six Sigma, and D. OSHA. The answer is ISO 9001. Question 2. What does ISO stand for? A. International Standard Organization. B. International Standards and Operations. C. International Organization for Standardization. And D. Industrial Standards Oversight. The answer is International Organization for Standardization. Question 3. Which certification focuses on reducing defects and improving quality using statistical methods? A. ISO 14001, B. Six Sigma, C. CMMI, and D. AllCP. The answer is Six Sigma. Question 4. Which of the following is a key principle of total quality management, TQM? A. Focus on customer satisfaction, B. Reducing costs at all levels, C. Ignoring minor defects, and D. Shortening production timelines. The answer is focus on customer satisfaction. Question 5. Which of the following is a certification for food safety management systems? A. CMMI, B. ISO 45001, C. ISO 27001, and D. ISO 22000. The answer is ISO 22000. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of a quality audit? A. To punish employees for mistakes. B. To verify compliance with quality standards. C. To increase production speed. And D. To eliminate the need for inspections. The answer is to verify compliance with quality standards. Question 7. Which of the following is a type of audit that focuses on evaluating suppliers? A. Internal audit, B. Process audit, C. Supplier audit, and D. Product audit. The answer is supplier audit. Question 8. What is a non-conformance report, NCR, used for? A. Reporting deviations from quality standards, B. Tracking employee productivity, C. Scheduling production activities, and D. Approving product designs. The answer is reporting deviations from quality standards. Question 9. Which of the following is a corrective action after identifying non-conformance in a quality audit? A. Ignoring the issue, B. Implementing changes to fix the problem and prevent recurrence, C. Increasing production speed, and D. Reducing employee wages. The answer is implementing changes to fix the problem and prevent recurrence. Question 10. Which term describes the process of identifying the root cause of a quality issue? A. Statistical sampling, B. Process standardization, C. Pareto chart, and D. Root cause analysis, RCA. The answer is root cause analysis, RCA. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the purpose of Statistical Process Control, SPC? A. To monitor and control a process using data analysis. B. To increase defect rates. C. To eliminate the need for inspections. And D. To reduce costs without considering quality. The answer is to monitor and control a process using data analysis. Question 12. Which statistical tool helps prioritize the most significant quality issues? A. Fishbone Diagram. B. Control chart. C. Pareto chart. And D. Histogram. The answer is Pareto chart. Question 13. What is the key principle of Six Sigma methodology? A. Reducing variation and defects. B. Increasing the number of audits. C. Eliminating all inspections. And D. Lowering production costs at any cost. The answer is reducing variation and defects. Question 14. Which of the following charts is used to track variations in a process over time? A. Scatter diagram. B. Control chart. C. Pareto chart. And D. Fishbone diagram. The answer is control chart. Question 15. What does a fishbone diagram, Ishikawa diagram, help identify? A. The number of audits conducted in a year. B. The financial cost of quality defects. C. The best performing suppliers. And D. The relationship between cause and effect in a quality issue. The answer is the relationship between cause and effect in a quality issue. Question 16. Which statistical method is commonly used in acceptance sampling? A. Random sampling. B. Control charts. C. Regression analysis. And D. Monte Carlo simulation. The answer is random sampling. Question 17. Which of the following best describes benchmarking? A. Ignoring competitors' performance. B. Comparing performance with industry leaders to improve quality. C. Eliminating internal audits. And D. Increasing production speed at any cost. The answer is comparing performance with industry leaders to improve quality. Question 18. What is process capability, CP and CPK, used for? A. Reducing the need for quality inspections. B. Increasing the number of defects. C. Measuring how well a process meets specifications. And D. Tracking financial performance. The answer is measuring how well a process meets specifications. Question 19. Which of the following is an example of descriptive statistics in quality control? A. Compliance audits. B. Root cause analysis. C. Fishbone diagrams. And D. Mean, median, and standard deviation. The answer is mean, median, and standard deviation. Question 20. What is the primary objective of a quality management system, QMS? A. Ensuring consistent quality and compliance with standards. B. Increasing defect rates. C. Reducing employee workload. And D. Eliminating the need for documentation. The answer is ensuring consistent quality and compliance with standards. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.